Following the ongoing success of NIGO's collaborations with Nike, the Japanese designer once again fuses culture, design, and storytelling through the upcoming NIGO X Nike Air Force 3 Low Kintsugi Pack. Drawing inspiration from the Japanese art of repairing pottery with gold, this collection celebrates the beauty of imperfection and the concept of renewal. Each pair showcases a split aesthetic, one featuring phantom white and bamboo tones, and the other dark gray with cream and gold accents. The shoes blend premium tumbled leather and ceramic-like textures, complete with aged midsoles and gum outsoles for a vintage feel. Every detail reflects NIGO's meticulous craftsmanship and Nike's artistry, resulting in a sneaker that honors time-worn beauty and cultural symbolism. Expect this limited edition release to drop during holiday 2025 via select retailers on Nike.com. Offering collectors a refined piece that merges Japanese heritage with streetwear innovation.